guys, and welcome back to Enjoyable Characters. I'm your host, Joy. Today, I am going to show you how you can use the characters that you already know and form them into words, which you are actually quite familiar with. If that doesn't make sense to you, hear me out. Remember when we talked about Taipei, which means the northern city in Taiwan? If we take the north character, Bei, out, we can actually form it into Beijing. Beijing. Bei is north and Jing means capital. The northern capital, the capital of China, Beijing. And before Beijing was the capital of China, the capital city was actually in the southern part. It was called the southern capital, Nanjing. Nanjing. Now we have a capital in the north and in the south. Do we also have one in the east or west? Actually, we do. Dongjing, the east capital. Dongjing is actually Tokyo, the Chinese name for Tokyo. Dongjing. Another major city is Shanghai. 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 You already recognize one of the characters. The first one, Shang, which means up. Hai, on the other hand, means ocean. Remember when we said when you see characters with 3 dots on the side, it always has a connection with water or liquid. Hai, ocean. Shanghai. A popular vacation spot in China is Hainan. Hainan. The first character, Hai, is exactly the same one as in Shanghai. Ocean, Hai. And Nan, this character you should already know by now. It means south. Hainan. Okay, so there's another very important city that we haven't mentioned yet, and it has a very interesting Chinese character combination and a very interesting meaning. But best for last, we'll save it for later. Moving on to country names. First of all, you will have to recognize the character over here. Guo, Guo, which means country. We add this character to almost every country name. It's at the end, always at the end. Something something Guo. We'll start with the example. America, Mei. Guo. Mei, which is also a very symmetrical character, means beauty or beautiful. Mei. Mei Guo, America, a beautiful country. Then 法国, 法国 is France. 法 is by its own, it means law. But the name has nothing to do with law. It is just translated phonetically. 法国, France. Another similar example is England. 英国, which is also phonetically translated, but 英 by itself means heroic, hero, 英国.
Welcome back to another installment of Chinese Pod Trivia. And the question for you is, for what test does Chinese Pod offer preparation services for? Is it A, the polygraph, B, the colonoscopy, C, the HSK test, or D, the CAT scan?
The CAT scan?
Ooh, sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is C, the HSK test. That's right, Chinese Pod will thoroughly prepare you to pass this rigorous test of proficiency in Chinese. ChinesePod.com/HSK.
Now, can you guess what 英文 means? 英文. 文 means language or text. 英 is the 英 from England. So together it means English. 英文 and China. China has characters that you have already known. 中 means middle, 国 country. China was considered the Middle Kingdom. 中国. One country that doesn't have 国 at the end of its Chinese name, but is actually really easy to write, is Japan. 日本. 日本. The first character, which you have seen already so many times, is 日, the sun. 日. The second character, 本, means origin. 本. And this character looks very similar to another one which you see often. 木. 木. Wood or tree. And if you look at it closely, it's really a tree. When you add a horizontal stroke at the bottom of the tree, at the root of the tree, you get origin, because root is origin. 本, origin. 日本, the origin of the sun. Japan. Now at the very end, I promise to tell you that interesting city with interesting characters and meaning. That's the city Hong Kong. 香港. 香港. If you look at the characters separately, it literally means a harbor that smells good. 香 means smells good, fragrant, and gang means harbor. Well, I don't know for myself how the harbor smells in Hong Kong, but next time when you go there, you can smell it for me and then tell me later. Well, that's all we have for this show. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching Enjoyable Characters, and we'll see you next time. 下次见. Bye!
As usual, ChinesePod provides an extensive selection of learning materials for this lesson on its website, www.chinesepod.com. You can access this lesson directly with the lesson number
4130.
So just go to www.chinesepod.com/4130 and you will find a transcript, vocabulary, and much more. The link again, www.chinesepod.com/4130.